Today, the topic of my presentation is conflict over snoring, written by Mayangar. Introduction to story, main characters and premises. This presentation tells the story of a couple facing conflicts due to snoring. The husband struggles with sleep night while wife is unaware of how her snoring affects their relationship. It sets the stage of deeper exploration of these issues, snoring issues, impacted relationship. The continuous disruption caused by snoring puts significant strains on the couple's relationship. It can lead to resentment and feelings of neglected, pushing them further from effective communication. Both partners start feeling emotional and physical toll of this issue. Wives' habits. The wife snoring has become a persistent problem, causing balance during sleep. Studies show that snoring can affect sleep quality and lead to irritation. Numerous incidents of disrupted sleep fuel frustrations between the couple. Husband's frustration with the snoring escalated over time. Sleepless nights lead to irritability and stress in his day life. Each snow-filled night builds up his resentment, affecting both his mood and interactions. Changing sleeping positions, the husband attempts to resolve snoring by suggesting that his wife change her sleeping position while she tries, if often proves ineffective and leads to more frustration. Using earplugs in an effort to cope, the husband restores to sleeping with earplugs. This serves to block the noise but does not address the root issue of snoring, leave both partners feeling unsatisfied. Medical advice. They consider consulting a doctor to explore the cause of snoring. Medical advice could lead to better solutions, yet the couple struggles with taking the leap. Write it down by existing tension. Communication breakdown, emotional withdrawal. Both partners being to emotionally withdraw from each other. Husband feels unheard while the wife becomes defensive. That creates a cycle of silence that exacerbates the conflict, further pushing them apart. Inability to talk. The couple communication suffers insignificantly as frustration builds. Conversations about the snoring becomes heated, leading to arguments. They often avoid discussing the issue and prevent conflict. Emotional impact strains on both partners. The ongoing conflict over snoring causes emotional stress for both partners. The husband feels frustrated and helpless, while the wife might experience guilt or confusion. It leads to decreases intimacy and increased tension in their relationship. Divorce conf- uh, cons- consideration, exploring divorce as a solution. In extreme frustration, the husband start considering divorce as a way to escape the ongoing conflict. The drastic thought arises from the feeling that their issue may never resolve, highlighted the gravity of the situation. Filing divorce petition, discussion for divorce. After much contemplation, the husband decided to file for divorce. The action symbolizes the culmination of unresolved issues streaming from snoring conflict. It makes a significant turning point for both partners. Legal implications. Divorce involves decisions about divorce, division of assets, and, if applicable, child custody arrangements. Both factors complicate the emotional landscape, further making the process more challenging for the couple. Filing the divorce initiates a legal complex process that both partners must navigate. Understanding legal rights and responsibilities become crucial during this time. Establishing a framework for separation. Wife's reaction. Response to divorce petition. The wife is taken aback by husband's decision to file for divorce as it indicates the depth of the concern. Her initial reaction includes feeling of denial, hurt, and confusion as she believed they could work together their issues. Support system. Family support. Both partners turn to their families for support during this tumultuous time. Family members can provide emotional reassurance and guidance essential for validating their feelings and express and experiences. Friends and community outsearch to friends and community circles become vital. Friends often offer an alternative presentative and are source of comfort amidst that turmoil. Building a support network is crucial. Professional counseling. Seeking the help of a professional such as counselors or therapists can be beneficial. They provide tools for coping and strategies for communication with which could potentially salvaging the relationship. Counseling options. Individual therapies may also be beneficial for both partners. It can aid them in progressing their emotions, examining personal challenges, and understanding the impact of their conflict. Relationship counseling. Couple counseling can help address the underlying issues caused by snoring episodes. Together, they can work on communication skills and establish healthier dynamics. Impact on families. Effect on extended families. The conflict over snoring and subsequent divorce ripples out the effect extended family members. Family dynamics shifts and emotional turmoil can lead to strained relations among family members as they take sides. Financial consequences. Expense type. Estimated cost. Notes. Legal fee around $5,000. Notes. Cost associated with divorce attorneys. Child support $1,000 per month. Ongoing financial support for children if applicable. Asset division varies. Potential selling or divorce divorce in petition. Thank you for liking our story. Please give valuable comments. Thank you.